Hi everyone, my name is Eric, and I'm excited to introduce you to the Shark TurboBlade Cool+Heat. This fan has a wide variety of settings, allowing you to customize your thermal comfort to fit your needs. First, we will show you how to turn the unit on or off. Make sure that you plug in the unit, then you can turn the unit on by pressing the power button on the unit's display screen or on the top left of the remote. The screen on the unit and the remote will turn on immediately. Next, we will show you how to adjust the fan speed when in fan mode. There are 10 available speeds in fan mode. To begin, check that the unit is in the fan setting. You can refer to the dial on the side of the unit to see if it's pointing to red or to blue. The on-unit display in the remote will also shine red if the unit is on heat or blue if the unit is on fan. To increase or decrease the fan speed without the remote, press the arrows on the unit. To increase or decrease the fan speed using the remote, press the up or down arrows that are labeled with the blue and red dots. The lights will turn off after 20 seconds on the remote and 20 minutes on the on-unit display. In addition to the regular fan speeds, your TurboBlade also has specialty modes, which can be activated by pressing the mode button when the unit is in fan mode. Different models have different specialty modes. To see exactly what your model has, please refer to your Quick Start Guide or the online instruction booklet that can be found on our website. The first fan specialty mode is Sleep Mode. In Sleep Mode, the fan will dim all lights, mute chimes, and switch to a low speed. When Sleep Mode is activated, a moon icon will display on the remote. The second fan specialty mode is Breeze Boost Mode. Breeze Boost Mode can be activated for an extra powerful boost of airflow. When Boost Mode is activated, an arrow icon will display on the remote. The third specialty mode is Natural Breeze. When on Natural Breeze, the fan will gently vary fan power to simulate natural wind. When Natural Breeze Mode is activated, a wind icon will display on the remote. Please note that specialty settings can only be adjusted with the remote. Next, we will show you how to use the heat settings on your unit. To begin, check that the unit is in the heat setting. Again, you can refer to the dial on the side of the unit to see if it's pointing to red or to blue. The on-unit display and the remote will also shine red if the unit is on heat or blue if the unit is on fan. When you turn your unit to heat, it will automatically go into Thermo IQ mode. Thermo IQ mode acts like a thermostat, so you can select your ideal temperature, from 60 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and the unit will work to heat your room up to that temperature. Once the room reaches the set temperature, it will stop running until the temperature drops, and then turn on again. In this way, it maintains the set temperature. This is the mode we recommend for quickly heating up a room. To increase or decrease the Thermo IQ temperature on the unit, press the arrows on the on-unit display. To increase or decrease the Thermo IQ temperature using the remote, press the up or down arrows on the button with red and blue dots. The lights will turn off after 20 seconds on the remote and 20 minutes on the on-unit display. For safety, the unit will turn off if the room ever reaches 100 degrees Fahrenheit or after 8 hours of inactivity. In addition to Thermo IQ, your unit has two specialty heat modes, Comfort and Focus. Heat specialty modes can be activated by pressing the mode button when the unit is in heat mode. In Comfort mode, the unit will continually emit heat at a low setting, ideal for more up-close usage. The second heat specialty mode is Focus mode. In Focus mode, the heater will continually emit heat at a moderate setting, ideal for heating a person from slightly further away. Please note that specialty settings can only be adjusted with the remote. For safety, the unit will turn off if the room ever reaches 100 degrees Fahrenheit or after 8 hours of inactivity. To help you customize your thermal comfort, there are 3 oscillation settings that you can choose from: 180 degrees, 90 degrees, and 45 degrees. To change the oscillation angle using the unit, press the oscillation button on the display. To change the oscillation angle using the remote, press the oscillation button on the bottom row. To turn off oscillation, continue to press the oscillation button until oscillation is turned off. The lights will turn off after 20 seconds on the remote and 20 minutes on the on-unit display. Lastly, the horizontal angle adjust feature allows you to change the direction that the unit is facing, from left to right. To use this feature, select the right or left arrow on the bottom of the remote. This feature is great to adjust the angle of the airflow, depending on where people or pets are sitting. This feature is only accessible by remote. If you don't want to leave your unit running all the time, you can use the timer function. This allows you to automatically turn your fan off after 1, 2, 4, or 8 hours. To use this feature, press the button on the top right of the remote. This feature is only accessible by remote. You can mute the unit by holding down the timer and oscillation buttons on the remote at the same time for 3 seconds. Repeat to re-enable sound.